What if I told you that over a century ago, a scientist tried to measure the weight of the human soul? Not metaphorically, but physically using a scale. In 1907, an American physician named Duncan MacDougall set out to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Does the soul have mass? His idea was simple, but deeply controversial. If the soul exists and leaves the body at the moment of death, then perhaps it should have weight. To test this, MacDougall designed a special experiment. He built a highly sensitive scale and placed terminally ill patients on it. The goal was precise: measure the body before death, and then measure it again immediately after. If something left the body, the scale would detect it. According to his observations, something did happen. In one of his cases, at the exact moment of death, the scale showed a sudden drop about 21 grams. MacDougall concluded that this loss of weight could represent the human soul leaving the body. The idea suggested something invisible might still have a physical presence. The story spread quickly and became one of the most famous and controversial experiments in history. But there was a problem. In fact, there were several. The experiment was conducted on only a handful of patients. The measurements were inconsistent. Some cases showed no weight loss at all. Factors like body temperature, evaporation, air movement, and fluid loss could all affect weight. There were many explanations that had nothing to do with the soul. Over time, the scientific community largely rejected the experiment. There was no reproducible evidence and no confirmation the soul had any measurable mass. And yet, the idea never disappeared, because it touched something deeper than science. It touched belief. Science can explain the body, but the idea of a soul belongs to something beyond measurement. That is why the 21 grams experiment still captures attention today. Can something invisible be measured? Can something spiritual leave a physical trace? Or are there limits to what science can truly explain? The experiment remains a reminder of how far curiosity can go. If you enjoy exploring mysteries where science meets the unknown, subscribe to Talking Tech.